Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So negative number 2, we can put negative number 1, negative number 1. Next, we have the identities. So this one we can transform into s minus number 1 multiplied by s plus 1 because that is about this one. So this one that is about this one. About this one, we have the formula in here. And so on until we have like this. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can do about factorization by s minus number 1. So this one we have number 1 in here. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. The next one s minus 1 divided by s minus number 1. So we just have like this. So I will put number 1 go here, number 1 go here. And we have 11 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.